Hello, this is S.K. Williams, and the rain falls. It has come to purge the world. It has come to flood the world and rid the world of wickedness. God has looked down upon the world and seen that the ways of flesh are corrupt, and he will destroy that flesh that is corrupt. But he sees Noah, a righteous man, and he forewarns him, for he will give Noah a chance, and Noah will save the animals by placing them in an ark. And therein lies the safety. I am not here to speak of Noah's Ark in a historical context. I am here to speak of Noah's Ark as allegory. For we, as I speak, are in our own flood. It's more of a plague than a flood, but one can see it as a flood. One can contest that it came about due to our wickedness. Perhaps it did, perhaps it didn't. But the rain grows heavier, does it not? In times of great trial, when we are placed in an environment of great stress, we have to know that it is a crucible. From water I go to fire, I suppose. It will wash away, or burn away, that which causes us harm that we no longer need. But what is left will rebuild and be stronger and better. When Noah left the ark, humanity had a fresh start, and while humanity was still not perfect, humanity still had imperfections in them. Even right away, things started going wrong. It was not as bad, I think, as the previous generation, the one before the flood. Perhaps it got as bad, or even worse, than it was before the flood, in other times and other places afterward. Perhaps it didn't. I don't know what it was like before the flood. But I do know that the rain did abate. The flood did end. Noah emerged, and the world was rebuilt. Right now, we are seeing our economy wash away. We are seeing a world concerned with the disaster that is upon us. Things will definitely change. I don't know how drastically. But what I do know is this: God provides, and God saves. And each of these trials is not simply to kill the wicked. It is to make the world better. But I also know that it is up to man to respond. God merely gives us the environment. After the purges of that environment, what we do with it is our choice. So let us choose, in either trials in our personal life, trials at a local level, trials at a regional level, perhaps national, continental, trials at a global level, trials at a solar system level, or a galactic level, or even a universal level. Let us know that after they have passed, after we have weathered the storm, our choice should always be to build, and to take this opportunity to clear away that which was rotted, and to build a better world. I have nothing else to say. Thank you, God bless, and goodbye.